All right, everybody. Welcome back to Smoking Swamp Outdoors. We're out here in the chicken coop. We're out here cleaning the coop. And just wanted to show everybody what we do here at Smoking Swamp Homestead. Maybe give everybody some ideas on what they can do. We got these boxes here, the land boxes, that I built out of all pallets. Same thing with the table. The only thing that was not built out of pallets was this box here. Had it laying around the house, so I put it to use. But the rest of it is all from pallets. Our neighbors, they have a sawmill up the road, and they bless us with shavings. So in return, we bless them with some free eggs. Chickens are great to have, folks, if you got a homestead. Or even if you don't have a homestead and you're able to have some chickens. There's many uses for them besides the obvious eggs. They work great for bug control. You can use the eggshells in your garden, fertilizer. Same thing with the manure. We spread a little bit extra around to help collect all the manure and everything and keep the smell down. And then we put it into the compost box, and it all works out. And as you see, we got another pallet here for a ramp so they can get up in there. And we keep a little bit of feed in here for them. I fill that thing up about once a week because we also free range ours. So they run around and they don't require as much feed. I hope this video was informative. Give some people some ideas on what they can do. And if you look around, reclaim, recycle. This project here didn't cost me anything but a couple nails. Picked up at my local hardware store for about $5 or $10. Y'all hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for some more real outdoors. God bless.